Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here, and today I'm back with this Proton 1.5 SE LE that I'm stripping. You can see that I'm trying to get this aftermarket alarm system out of here. I've got the front headlights out and grille out. And if you haven't seen the video, the previous video, then I would suggest checking that out to get the story as to why I'm stripping this car, how I've been allowed to strip this car, and the history behind it as well, and what it is going to be doing. So I've taken the air box off here, as you can see, and left the carburetor in place there. Let's take a look at the car inside this morning. This is as we found it this morning. Then dash is all still in place. Center console, tunnel, carpet, this chair, and all these bits and pieces in the back. This is how I left it about a week ago now. Sunroof is in position there. And you can see I've had all the door cards and lots of other parts out of the car already. The intention today then is get it finished. And as you can see, we've got the back bumper off here. This is something that I really wanted to save, these old metal bumpers. And I think Dad is working now. Dad's with me today, and he is helping me take some trim and bits and pieces off, including the rear lights and stuff from inside the boot. He's not messing about though. He's using his whacking stick to get this trim off. And it's good to save these bits and pieces. And there'll be a video of me in my van documenting what I have saved. So at the moment we're just looking around the car, seeing what's left. Things that I really wanted to get out today included the sunroof, the steering wheel, the dash, and obviously the driver's seat. The car is being bang erased. Not by me, and you can see now I've managed to get the lights out. The lights are all out, the windows are all out, the glass is out here. There's the boot. Again, the lights are out now, or Dad managed to get the lights out. They were bonded in, they had been bonded in previously by the previous owner. The seals do fail on them windows, and on the lights as well. So this side has still all got the glass in. I'm working towards getting the glass out. And Dad at this stage is working on the radiator, I think, by the looks of things, and getting the heater coils and matrix out of there. This is the door then. Still got to get the central locking system out because it is an SE LE, which means it came with electric central locking. There's just a look in the driver's side of what is left to do, and again the sunroof. Really wanted to get that out. It's a Webasto top slider sunroof. Dad is draining down the radiator, as you can see, and we had to be careful to obviously drain that into a vessel because that is a dangerous fluid. We can't just tip it on the floor, so we've drained that into a vessel, and that will be disposed of correctly. Right, we've got some more glass out there then. Some more stuff from the back. We're having a wander around. What's Dad working on now? He seems to be doing all the work today whilst I'm doing the filming. There's a look inside. You can see I've taken the rear parcel shelf speakers out. There is underneath the car, that back bumper, all that rear trim out. Oh, that's a good shot, isn't it? That's an inside a Proton from a view you wouldn't normally see. Dad at this stage then is working towards getting the dashboard out. You can see that he started taking steering console trim off, and he's working on getting that dashboard out of the car. And I won't lie, it took ages to get that out. I wouldn't want to have to fit one, let's put it that way. The amount of cables, wires, bits and pieces is unbelievable. There's the engine bay then. I'm still working towards getting that alarm out. We couldn't really get it disconnected until we'd got the dash out. There's the car. And here's some parts that we've got in the van. We've got the two front bumpers, we've got some glass, we've got the side glass there, the side windows. The lights are in there, we've got some bits of plastic trim, some window regulators, all sorts of things in the van already this morning. Right, there must have been some sort of progress for me to do this filming. You can see now we've got the dashboard out. The heater console is still there. The floor is all still there. Oh, and the sunroof's out now as well. That was an absolute pain to get that out. It was about 60 screws holding it in place, but it wasn't bonded, which I was surprised by. It wasn't bonded to the roof. It was just pressure fitted to the roof. And there wasn't that much rust. Let's open this boot lid then. There she is. There's the boot lid. It's bent all in this corner somehow. I don't know how that happened. It got caught under itself, which is a shame, but I say a shame. The boot lid was not something I was able to salvage anyway. Right, here's inside then. We've got the majority of the car stripped interior-wise. And under here now you can see that that alarm is now gone. It is missing. We've taken it out and the bracket's just there. That took it out in one piece. So we're able to rewire it onto a system. It's an aftermarket alarm. It's not a Proton alarm, but it's a vintage 90s alarm, and I really, really wanted it. So we've managed to get that out in one piece. Hopefully it will go to somebody who's going to use it. We're using the Royal Snail today then, which has been my workhorse. You can see that this seat is out. You can see that the sunroof and the dash is now in the van. What else? Yeah, there's the dash, look. There's some. There's the heater blower and some more trim. You can see it's getting to a point where now we've really stripped it. We've taken out the carpet, and I was umming and ahhing about the carpet. Do I, don't I? And I thought, well, I'm never going to get another grey Proton 89 carpet. So I decided to take it, and if it's no good, then I can always just chop it up. Oh, there we go. We've gone for a dive up and down the sunroof. The lads in the yard are getting ready for a banger race day. It's their banger racing day tomorrow, which is a Sunday. I'm filming this on a Saturday. Things that I've left on, obviously, are the wheel trims. No good to me. They're not proper Proton wheel trims. I like this shot, though. I do like that. Could fly a drone through there, couldn't you? Drone in and up through the sunroof. And it makes you wonder just what it would have been like to work on the assembly line in Malaysia putting these together. Because if you look at the floor, it's in very, very, very good condition. There's no rust or rot on that floor. The sills aren't great, but the floor itself, fabulous. Now looking at these doors, you can see they're pretty much done now, pretty much stripped. We've got that dash off, steering wheel, which the Banger Boys have allowed me to keep. Actually, they were adamant that they really wanted it, and I said, well, I'd quite like that steering wheel, so they've let me have it. They're going to try and find something else to put that on there. Right, that's it then. That's nearly the end of the video, showing you inside the car what it looks like, fully stripped out. And I bet not many people have seen this actually on a early 90s, late 80s, early 90s Proton. The actual interior without all its trim and bits and pieces. And it looks quite sad, I know, but hopefully people will take comfort knowing that the parts are going to be going to a very good home, and if I can help keep other Protons on the road, then I certainly will. This is this scuttle panel. It's metal, it's a metal scuttle panel as opposed to a plastic piece. Stick it in the van, there we go, put it on top of the carpet. No airs and graces with that, we're just sticking it all in, and then I'll organise it when I get home. There'll be a separate video on the channel of that. That's a look at the Proton stickers on the bulkhead there, and Dad's currently trying to get the wiper arms out of the bulkhead. And that's it then. The car is stripped. That's all I'm taking off. I'm not taking anything else off this car. It will be banger raced. It's going to be going to Skegness Stadium on October the 1st, 2023. I've been invited by the Banger Boys to come and have a look at them converting it into a banger car, which I will take them up on their offer. There'll be another video on the channel. Hopefully I'll be helping out getting this ready for the banger race, which would be quite cool. Maybe get a video of me sat in there taking it round the yard. I'm obviously not allowed to take it around the stadium, but it will be certainly good to do that. If you've enjoyed the video, if you've enjoyed the progress of me stripping this Proton 1.5 SE LE, smash subscribe, please. Please hit the like button. It does really help. The more likes that I get, the more views I get, and it's just the way that the YouTube algorithm works. Till next time then, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. If you need some Proton parts, you know who to call now. And if you enjoyed the video, drop me a comment below. I always like to hear from my viewers. Have a great day. Take care. More Proton content coming soon. But there it is, the end of that Proton 1.5 SE LE so far. On to a new life at Skegness Stock Car Stadium very soon. Goodbye.